Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are talking about my skincare routine. Now, like twice a year or so, I update my skincare routine because first off, I try different things and my skin tends to change through the year, as does a lot of people's with the seasons, and your skin just tends to change. So right now, these are the things that I've been loving for my skincare. And I'm going to keep repeating myself when I say my. These are the things that work for my skin. I have combination dry skin. Now, because we're getting into warmer months, my skin might become a little bit more oily, so in that sense, I might take away a moisturizer, I might take away something, but for the most part, my skin tends to stay on the combo dry side. And I'm actually gonna insert a picture of my face without any makeup on so you can see my skin is not perfect. Believe me, I'm a human being. I break out a few times a month. I have hormones, I have stress. My skin is by no means perfect, but like I said, these are the things that my skin responds very well to. So my ring light is buzzing. I'm hoping to God you can't hear it. If you can, I'm sorry, I don't know what to do about it. I hope I don't have to replace it because this thing is not cheap. All right, so I think I'm just gonna start with cleansers first. I'm just gonna go in order of my skincare routine. I have a plethora of things in front of me. I follow the 10-step Korean skincare routine. If you don't know what that is, I advise you to Google it. It is incredible. I mean, I used to do the whole wash, maybe like a serum and then moisturize, and that was it. Oh, no. There's so much more out there. What your skin is capable of, I couldn't even believe. My skincare routine has come a long way. I don't do the full 10 steps, but I do my own version of that. Sometimes I only do 5 steps, sometimes I do 8. It all depends, but this is my routine as of now. And I did do like a fast forwarded like actual routine at the end of this video if you want to see me do it, like my basic version. It's not incredibly interesting, so if you don't want to watch it, I don't really blame you, but it's there if that's something that interests you. But I figured this would be a little more helpful. I love exfoliating, I love smoothing, I love taking any dull, like roughness off my skin. The smoother my skin feels, the better I feel. So right now I'm loving the, what the hell is this called? Sonic Leaf? Pop Sonic Leaf? I'll write it on the screen. I first found this at TJ Maxx. It was a smaller like travel version and it was like on clearance for $8, so I bought it. And it's like the thing I love, the Foreo. Those are like between $80 and like $200 for those frigging things. I had like a small travel sized one that I got in my FabFitFun box. I loved it. I still love it. But when I found the $8 one, I was like, oh, let me try it just to see how it compares. That thing blew my fucking mind for $8. So I use this in the morning with my Skin Nutrition Cleansing Gel. This has stabilized vitamin C in it. I really like this. I don't know where I found this. I feel like I found this in TJ Maxx or Marshall's. I'm a huge shopper at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. I don't like paying full price for anything. I'm just gonna put that out there right now. But I will say, if there is one thing to invest in, it's your skin. So anyway, I like this in the morning. It's like refreshing. It just is a nice smoothing effect. It's brightening. In the evening, I will cleanse with the CosRx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. I was recommended this from Renee from Gothamista. If you're interested in Korean or Asian skincare, go to her channel. I'll list it in the box below. She is a genius. I'm pretty sure she works in the skincare industry. I mean, she has to, or she's literally just a genius and just knows everything about skincare. If you want to know more about the way of Asian skincare, or go listen to her because she literally knows everything. So anyway, this is great. It has a low pH, which means it won't strip your skin. It's good for literally all different skin types. I highly recommend it. This is good at night because it helps take the day off your skin. Now, if I'm wearing makeup, I will actually use a oil cleanser of some kind. I don't have mine out here with me at the moment, but I usually use an oil cleanser and I will use a cleansing cloth. This is actually a cleansing cloth. I don't go by the makeup eraser. I think all of these cloths are kind of the same. I do have a makeup eraser. It is very nice, but my aunt got me this for Christmas. It's from Campanelli. I don't know where she got it, but it's very nice and it does exactly what the makeup eraser does. So I'll use a oil-based cleanser to get makeup off. I'll do this and then I'll second cleanse with an actual cleanser. So we have morning and then night. As a second step, I will tone. And this isn't like toning when we were kids. I'm an 80s kid. I was born in 82. When I think of toner, I think of Sea Breeze, which is nothing but minty fucking alcohol. That's not the case anymore. I double tone. So I'll tone once with a gentle toner, and then I'll tone again with something with a little more hydration. So my first toner, you don't have to do this twice, but I definitely recommend finding a toner for yourself based on your kind of skin. Life-changing, again. So this is the Secret Key Aloe Soothing Moist Toner. For all skin types, oh God, it's written in, oh God, okay. Aloe is amazing for your skin. There's no alcohol in this. It's a wonderful, gentle kind of toner. It prepares your skin for the rest of your skincare. And then I will go to the Sprout Toner. This is kind of hard to find, actually. This is also very gentle, but it has a little bit more in it. It has amino acids, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals in it. I'll list the link to this below. I have actually a few things from this brand. I'll list the brand link below because this is hard to find. I'll use this toner first and then I'll top it with this. When I have acne, I don't use either of these to tone. When I have a breakout or like my skin's just being stupid, I will use another CosRx product, and this is the One Step Original Clearing Pad. This is a toner in a pad version. Incredible, incredible. This facial toner gently wipes out excess oil, keeps the complexion clear, refined, and well balanced. It's a balancing toner. I'm pretty sure there's like tea tree in it, which is great for balancing and killing bacteria. Fantastic if you have troubled skin or when you have troubled skin. This has a ton of pads in it. This lasts me forever. I get this on Amazon. The next tool that I use is not a must, but I really enjoy it. I also have another one that I just don't have out here with me. I'm not joking when it comes to my skincare. I have tools, okay? This is a Kanza wand. There's a whole big spiel. My mom bought me this, actually. There's a whole big spiel about why this is amazing. But this is good for pushing your skincare into your skin. You can also use a jade roller. This is like $50. I don't know if it's worth $50. I mean, I probably wouldn't pay $50 for it, but a jade roller, you can find, not a real jade roller. Real jade ones are probably like pretty expensive, but a imitation jade roller, just like the roller. It's good for lymphatic drainage, pushing product into your skin. That you can find, again, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Amazon for like under $15. I highly recommend those. You can use them literally after you use any skincare product to help press the product into your skin. The third step would be my eye creams. I also have a tool. This I actually got in a beauty box that I get every month. It's a Korean beauty box, not sponsored. I buy it myself. This is a eye roller. Again, you can get one of these anywhere. I use this to, again, push my eye creams into my eye area. It's cooling, it has a depuffing effect. It's just a nice thing all around. And in the morning, I will use the Sprout eye cream. Really nice, and it absorbs really nice, but it's thin, like it's not heavy. And you know when you use the eye cream and it just sits there and you're like, I don't even know if it's doing anything? This, like, you can feel it absorbed into your skin. It feels hydrating, not oily. It's just a really nice eye cream. You get a ton. Like, I've been using this for a good month and I use it every morning and I've barely made a dent. I don't know if you can really see, but yeah, I barely made a dent. For night eye cream, I use the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. Really nice. Does something similar to that where it absorbs really fast. I haven't been using this as long, but I like what it does. At night, I will use this and then I'll top it with this. And then press in with this. You don't need all these tools, but I like them. Okay? The next thing, again, on a regular basis, I will go and I'll moisturize. So my go-to moisturizer is the Sprout Emulsion. This can be used like as a first moisturizer if you have very dry skin, and then topped with another one because it's very light. But I found that it works totally fine just on its own. Again, it has amino acids, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. To me, this is just as good as my favorite Arborian ginseng milk, but I still love this. This is a little bit more hydrating and a little bit thinner. Oh yeah, you definitely get more in here, but this is a little bit more expensive. So this is what I use at night, and this is what I use during the day. So this is my Arborian Smoothing Effect Milky Face Lotion. First off, this smells just incredible. Absorbs into your skin like I can't even describe. Your skin feels like velvet after you put this on. It's gorgeous. Now, again, when my skin is super dry, and this is something I normally use in the colder months, like dead of winter, when my skin feels like fucking cardboard. This is the Stratia, I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm so sorry. I'll write it on the screen. This is the liquid gold with ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. Gothamista, Renee from Gothamista, again, recommended this, and I'm so glad she did. This is like a coat. It like seals in the moisture in your skin and doesn't let it out. This again can be used on its own or under your moisturizer. All right, so the last handful of things I'm gonna talk about are like specialty things that I use for certain issues. So the first thing is the CosRx Acne Pimple Master Patches. So they come in this little package. I get these off Amazon. And they come with a sealed sheet. And on this sheet are little stickers. These stickers go on your pimples. I'm a popper. I am. I hate seeing a whitehead on my face. I just can't walk around that way. I will put one of these on that stupid thing so I don't touch it, because I know that's the worst thing you can do. You scar, you just make it worse, you let bacteria in. Anyway, if you put one of these on, the next morning it will be deflated, the redness will be gone, the whitehead will be literally popping out, and it will be over with. I highly recommend these. The next is a tool. I made a video on this. This is a very controversial tool, but I don't care because this works for me, so I don't mind talking about it. This is a derma roller. I forget which size this is, but I'll write it on the screen. I've been derma rolling my face for almost a year, and I think this is an incredible thing. I urge you to do your research before you even buy one of these. This can scar you, you can do major damage to your face if you don't know what you're doing. I took a risk and it turned out very well for me. I do this every Friday or every other Friday, depending on what I'm doing that weekend, because you can't wear any makeup on your face for 72 hours after you do this. If you have like major acne that's in effect, do not use this. You will spread all of that acne wherever you touch it with this. So if you have active acne, do not use one of these. Like, I have little benign bumps that are like, I don't even know what the hell they are. They're not pimples, they're just bumps. These deflate them. I don't know what they are, but they deflate them and then they're gone. I have absolutely seen a difference in my skin with this. I don't like saying I highly recommend it, but I'm so glad I started doing it because I definitely see a difference in my skin. Again, do not go near one of these unless you do your research on it and weigh the pros and cons and the risks of doing this yourself. Disclaimer. Yeah, I think that was it. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them in the box below. Any videos, ideas you would like to see from me, again, leave them in the box below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.